Alright folks, this is Rit. This is either going to go really well or it's on my GG already over. Doom Train's got 3 Gravemakers, and so I'm going to go ahead and take my 4-1 lineup, 4 blues, 1 green. Alberich hopefully survives all the hits from Gravemaker. Otherwise, this should be pretty epic. Here we go. Oh god, this is going to be horrible. Horrible, right? I think, maybe. Let's think a little bit. There's really nothing to think about. It's going to be horrible. Alrighty, nothing. I can't really dodge any of this. Good God. Okay, alright, then we're just going to go fast because this is going south much faster than I expected. Holy cow. It's pretty cool though. I wish I could say I have 3 Gravemakers. You know? Oh god. Oh Jesus. Nope, that's it. Golly, this is intense. I'm surprised that Doom Train's not rated higher, but let's see where we're at. I'm 120. I'm 172. He's 238. Maybe he'll be coming back up. Let's see. Oh, Jesus. All right, let's see if we can make it work this time. Be a little bit more professional. Yeah, sure. Let's go this way. Yeah, that thing, like I thought, falls like flies if you just got it right. Right. All right. Now let's go ahead and take out a couple of these folks over here. Yep. That's what I suspected. You know, you just gotta hit them. If the combo's right, then that's this game. You know, but I think that's the whole point is that you either have everything lined up or not, which apparently I didn't have in the beginning. You know, the drops didn't come, but now it works. So, all right, here we go. Let's see where I'm at. Rank number 100. I think I dropped like what, 8 ranks or something like that. Anyways, all right, have a good one. Bye.